Hey YouTube, this is Calvin back again with another video. Just want to take this moment to thank you guys for tuning in and watching. We are super close to 500 subscribers, so please continue to like, comment, subscribe. You guys have been doing great, and then we're almost there. So that's the first milestone for the channel, and we are almost there, guys. So let's kind of give it a big push, and I think we can get there in no time. Today I'm going to be doing a PSA return video. So we'll be going over some of the cards I sent off to PSA. We'll see how we did, see how the grades came back, and we'll see how close our predictions were. So just a second, I'll get those unveiled, and stay tuned. Alright, so let's see what we got back in this return. Super excited. Love PSA returns. One of my favorite times, almost like Christmas. So let's see. Let's go this way. Try not to keep you guys here too long. We'll go through these and see what we got. Okay, first card. We'll try to go through these pretty quick. Shining Ho-Oh. PSA 10. Alright, sweet. This card came as a promo in the Shining Fates ETB. I really enjoyed this card. Really cool promo there. Next up, we have a Pikachu V. So these are not in order, of course. That's what PSA does for us. PSA 10 though, so still happy about that. This card came as a promo from the Shining Fates ETB. I actually just really enjoyed this Pikachu. Not a particular reason why, I just really liked it. Next card, okay, we got another promo. This one's a really famous one. Stained Glass Bird Trio from the Hidden Fates ETB. Got a 10, sweet. Love to see it. A beautiful card. The cards I sent in, I kind of pre-vetted, if you will. Just check for centering, make sure centering looks good. Also, just check, make sure we won't see anything obvious. Another 10. Okay, we're on a pretty good hot streak here, guys. That's awesome. Okay, love to see that. All right, next card we have another Stained Glass Bird. 10. Okay, so 3 for 3 on these. That's awesome. I want to have like 10 of these in my collection. These cards I feel like are just timeless, and they will be relics and treasures once they get a little older. Okay, now this card's odd. When I got it, it was actually crimped at the bottom. See if you can see that here. So I didn't know how they would grade this one. They did not like it. They gave it a 5. They hated that card. But I didn't know if they were just going to give it like an error. I know they don't do error cards anymore. But I didn't know if there was like a factory error for that. But no, they did not like it. Okay, next up we have the Zacian Zacian level X, 9. Okay, our first 9 of the day. This one was really hard to get into 10, so I sent off a few of these. I bought probably about 10 to 15, and I sent in the best ones that I could find. GX, but so I got a few more of those. We'll see. 10, sweet. Okay, so Hidden Fates generally grades pretty well. So I just filling out my collection here. Hopefully we have a lot more to go. Articuno 10, beautiful. All right, super happy about this, guys. We're doing good. We're on a pretty good hot streak here. Okay, so again, but I was expecting 9s and 10s at the hopefully at the minimum. Perfect, another 10. This came in the Hidden Fates Ultra Premium Collection promo. So these cards aren't super valuable yet, but they're pretty hard to get because that Ultra Premium Collection is really expensive right now. So there's not a huge demand for those cards, but I think once that set ages, I'm showing the grade already. This one got an 8. Not sure why though. That's odd. Okay. We got one random one. But we're still doing pretty well, I believe. Okay, we got one more here. I sent off a few of these. This one got the 9. These were also a little harder to grade too. I probably sent in like 4 or 5 of these. Let me see. This one looks pretty clean though. I don't know why this one got the 9. Front and back. I don't know. If I get bored one day, I might consider regrading that one. It looked pretty clean. This one got a 6. Oof. I don't see anything damaged on this one. Not on the front. Nothing crazy on the back. I'll look over this one later. So that's a random grade, I guess. So I'm not sure on that. Okay, another Zacian level X. Hey, we got a 10. Sweet. Again, this card was super hard to grade. Wow. Okay, I don't even know what this card is worth. I'm gonna put the values up though of the cards and how we did on the submission here. That card was really hard to grade. It came out of the Celebrations collection box, and sweet. This one got a 9. So super happy to get at least 110. That's really what all I wanted. That's just for the PC. A lot of these cards are actually for my PC. I'm not planning on selling anytime soon. This one got a 10 as well. This one was super cool. This one I probably just want 3 or 4 in the collection. Pikachu's highly collectible. I know that card was mass produced into oblivion, but I still liked it. This one got a 9. Okay, so probably sending Health this one back. Not mad at that. Okay, cool. Let's keep moving. Not a bad return though, guys. I'm super happy with this. This one got a 9 as well. Let's see. Centering actually looked okay on this one. How about the back? Not sure why this one got the 9. But that's okay. I think they were pretty generous with it so far. We have the Pikachu. Now, you want to get this one in the rainbow if you can, from Vivid Voltage. That one's the money card. I pulled this one myself, so I just wanted to grade it. Got a 10. Super happy about that. Awesome sauce. So the 10 pile is... This is the last one. This one got an 8. So not as great as the others, but that's okay. But the 10 pile is pretty good. And then we have the 9, 8. I have a few 8s. We'll put those there. 9, 9. And then we have a 5 and a 6. That is our assortment. Okay. So I think we're doing very well. Mostly 10s. So I cannot be mad at that. So let's see how we fare. I think there's a few more cards left in the submission. And I know I had a couple more hidden fake cards that I sent in. So let's see what we got here. Okay, perfect. Zygarde. Let's see, got the 10. Perfect. That's awesome. Okay. Again, that card's probably not super valuable, but I'm just trying to get complete the collection there. Sent in 2 just in case. Uh-oh, that one got the 8, so good thing we did. This one goes here. Okay. All right, so still doing pretty well though, guys. Lycanroc GX. 10, yay, sweet. All right, awesome sauce. Okay, happy about that. Can we continue? We gotta finish strong. Let's see. So this one's Decidueye. And we got the 10, sweet. Okay, so yeah, Hidden Fates grades pretty well. And again, I kind of checked over and made sure the centering was good. Didn't see anything crazy. Articuno, this will be a good card. 10, sweet. All right, PSA. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I had a good grader this time. You know what? If a card is a 10, give it a 10. I'm not mad at it. You know, don't try to hold cards back just because you want to hit a quota. If you got a 10, you got a 10. You know, so just be fair. Perfect. I love it. So again, some of these cards aren't super expensive, but I'm just filling out a collection here. So love shiny cards, loved Hidden Fates, and this is doing really well. Oh my gosh, the Alolan Ninetales 10, happy about that, love to see it. Okay guys, this is an awesome return. I'm very happy with this. Okay, let's see what else we got. Metagross, this came in a promo. 10, sweet. So this was a Ultra Ball promo from, I believe, Costco. for Hidden Fates. Okay, guys, that's awesome. I already have that one in a tin, so I might consider selling that one. The Rainbow Birds. Let's see what we got. 10. Okay, guys, I don't think I could have asked for better. This is fantastic. I'm super stoked about this, guys. Okay, let's see what else we got. This one is the Silver Edition. Got a 10. Perfect. Okay, so I have all of those. I have one in each variant. So there's the promo, the rainbow, and then the regular GX. So all of those are now in 10s. Happy about that. I got 2 Yu-Gi-Oh cards. These were gold. I love collecting gold cards. This one got the 10. Okay. This was from a specialty set that came out, and I really liked it. I thought it was really cool. I think Red Eyes Black Dragon is slept on. So I graded a couple of those, just 2. Let's see what we got for the last one. Oh, we got a 9, so we end on a 9. But I am super happy with this return. So as you can see, the 10s outweigh everything else by a lot. So I can't argue with that at all. That's a super great return. Okay, guys, that's going to conclude today's video. Overall, I think that was actually a really good return. We got a lot of 10s, and I'm super happy about that. We did have a few odd grades, but for the most part, I thought it was pretty consistent, and I thought we actually had a pretty good return. So we are, again, super close to the 500 subscriber goal. So if you can, please share, like, comment. If you haven't already, feel free to subscribe. We'd love to have you as a member on the channel. And then, yeah, we'll continue to grow. And then once we hit the 500 subscriber mark, we'll do our first giveaway. So stay tuned, guys. And until next time, thank you. Bye-bye.